passive. Okay. Second important thing.
Sir, first importance is used there, that's why.
Yes. Has, have, had. After has, have, had. If you are looking at been plus V3, it means this sentence will be in the passive. Third thing. Is, am, are, was, were plus being plus V3 always will be in the passive. Fourth,
Sir, in a sentence, you should be this all words, sir. Then only it will be passive, sir.
yes. After B plus B3 always passive. Passive voice, passive voice, passive voice. One important thing.
Sir, we have to write this.
No, to only try to understand only first. First important facts of active voice. How can you identify this sentence is in active or this sentence is in passive? First is for active passive, active voice. After subject, if you are looking V1, V2, V5, it means it will be active voice. Second thing, after subject is, am, are, was, were plus V4, it means it will be active voice. Third thing, after subject has, have, had, only V3, it will be also active voice. Today is the second class of active voice and passive voice. Who have not joined the first class, he may also understand here. Okay. First important facts about active voice. How can you identify? Firstly, if you are looking at subject plus V1 plus V1, V2 or V5, that means that will be active voice. Subject plus I go to Patna, I teach you, I taught you, I have taught you. All these sentences in the active voice. If you are thinking is, am, are, was, were, after V4, you are looking at V3 is written. It means that will be passive. After has, have, had, then been, then V3. Just compare here. This third number and this second number. After subject has, have, had, if V3 is written, that will be active voice. If after subject has, have, had plus been, then V3, it will be passive voice. Here, after subject is, am, are, was, were plus V4, it will be active voice. If after is, am, are, was, were, V3 is written, that will be passive voice. Once again, after is, am, are, was, were, then being, then V3, it means that will be passive voice. Did you understand? Any doubts, anyone?
Sir, the
Yes.
underline. Why have you underlined, sir, in two number B and V3?
Been and B3. No, I have not underlined. I have tried to make you understand. Okay. You may not
That
underline. Okay. Anywhere.
Sir, means in active voice, had been and V3 will not there.
Yes.
And
In passive voice, been should be written after has have had. If after has have had, only V3, that will be active. If after has have had been, then V3, that will be passive voice.
okay, sir.
Okay, just write everyone. Note it.
अनुष्का प्लीज शो योर वीडियो बाबू अनुष्का बाबू ए बिट्टू वीडियो ऑन कीजिए सब शैतान बैठ के शैतान खाली करते रहती है श्रुति बाबू प्लीज शो योर वीडियो श्रुति बिट्टू यू आल्सो शो योर वीडियो दिव्यांशी दिव्यांशी बाबू
Bittu, Divyanshi, Shivani, Rosni.
Good afternoon, sir.
हाँ
Very
बाबू
good
वेरी वेरी
afternoon.
गुड आफ्टरनून और नाउ शो योर वीडियो बाबू अंशिका शो योर वीडियो बाबू दिव्यांशी यस शिवानी भोली वीडियो ऑन कीजिए बाबू रौनक बाबू प्लीज शो योर वीडियो शैतान सब है अनुज बाबू
Sir,
Yes,
sir, you first one you didn't written important. TANT will come no sir. Import. You wrote sir.
important. Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
दिव्यांशी प्लीज शो योर वीडियो दिव्यांशी अंशिका बाबू अंशिका बहुत पीटेंगे शैतान दिव्यांशी वीडियो ऑन कीजिए बाबू दिव्यांशी इसका नाम दिव्यांशी बाबू ये है ही नहीं बाबू
Done sir.
Okay. Any doubt, anyone?
Sir,
May
please
I
wait.
use?
No, sir.
Write first.
Sir.
First question. The burglar was
Sir, we don't
in
need to write it, right?
entering.
Sir, we will write it again.
No. Only you have to match your answer. Who has not written, who were absent in the previous Sunday, they may write. Okay. Which voice is this sentence?
If it is wrong, sir, we can correct, sir.
Yes. I have already given this
Sir, you
homework.
have written HOUS. Sir, there is no E.
HOUSA. Yes. Now tell me, in which voice this sentence is written? After is, am, are, was, were plus V3. It means this sentence is in
Passive voice.
passive voice. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 2. I
Sir, is it we should
lent.
write pass
passive voice.
full, sir?
Yes.
Yes,
The answer is passive voice.
Sir,
Sir,
we should write
second
full,
number
write
answer
only
passive
passive voice, sir.
voice.
Identify voice. The heading of the question is identify voice. In which voice? Active voice or passive voice? I will
Sir,
write.
question answer, sir.
Sir, I lent him my sweater, passive voice. Second number.
I lent
Sir,
him
we should
my
write, sir.
sweater.
Sir, you have not written my. I lent him sweater. Sir, my sweater.
Listen. After subject, then V2, then object. It means it is active voice. Just find the answer. What have I written in the important facts? After subject plus V2, it means that will be always in active voice. Listen, without auxiliaries, passive cannot be written. Without auxiliaries, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. Without auxiliaries, passive will not be written. I have written in the first sentence what? Subject plus V1, subject plus V2, subject plus V5. Always will be in the active voice. Okay. Second question is, I lent him sweater, that is active voice.
Sir, him my sweater.
Yes, I lent him my sweater. Yes, it doesn't matter. We have to only recognize. Question number 3. John will surely help you.
Sir, active voice.
Surely help. Bill plus B1.
Passive voice.
If verb is in the first form, that will be always active voice. Okay. Question number 4. Geeta opened the box carefully. Geeta is subject. Opened means V2. All these are object. Subject plus V1, active voice.
Active voice.
Subject plus V2, passive voice. Subject plus V5, passive voice. Subject after subject, verb is written. It means it is active voice. Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Question number 5.
Sir, we should copy full question, sir.
What?
Sir, we should copy full question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, not box, it will be books.
Box. What is saying? I am not.
Sir,
listening
Geeta
clearly.
opened the books. Oh.
Okay. Oh, Geeta opened the box, not book.
Sir, lastly it was written books.
No. Just check the question which has been provided in the group. Active voice. Question number 5. The floors have been wiped by me. Wiped. Listen. In which voice? Have. After has, have, had, been. Then B3.
Sir, passive
Have
voice.
plus been plus
Sir,
wiped.
PV.
B3.
Sir, passion
PV.
voice.
Yes, passive voice. Clear, everyone? I think you understood it very easily. May I erase here?
No,
I am erasing, okay?
प्रधान बाबू प्लीज शेयर वीडियो। प्रधान अनुज बाबू प्लीज शेयर वीडियो। ये सब वीडियो शैतान ये सब हो गया।
I posted the letter yesterday.
अनुज बाबू प्लीज शेयर वीडियो। अनुज
Just tell me the answer. In which voice it is written? Subject plus V2.
sir, it is AV. I mean, active voice.
Active voice.
Yes,
Active voice.
active voice.
S plus V2.
Yes. You have to identify. After writing, you will answer it. That is not very good way. When I will write the question here, you have to reply the answer. Okay.
Passive voice.
The wind comes. Sir,
Sir, passive voice.
sir, it's PV.
It is PV. I think you all are not understanding it.
No, sir, it's AV.
Active voice.
After subject.
Sir, passive
V3.
voice. Sir, PV.
No,
How
sir,
many
AV.
say PV?
Active
Where?
voice.
Where is auxiliary verb?
Sir, it's subject
Where is
plus
auxiliary?
V2. Plus
One thing try to understand. If a word is written with the help of ed, okay, it may be V2 or it may be V3. But V3 is possible if it has been written after has, have, had. Then it will be V3. If ed is written lonely, that means it always will be V2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
then it's active voice, sir.
It cannot be V3 without has, have, had. Just keep it in your mind. That means it will be active voice.
Sir, 8 number passive voice.
I want.
I am coming on question number 8. The treasure.
It has been hidden by him.
The treasure chest
Sir, it's treasure or treasure?
was what?
It's treasure or teacher, sir.
Treasure.
Sir, it has been hidden by him. That is 8 number, na?
No, hidden by the pilot.
Sir, the treasure was not written by you, sir. It was written, it has been.
I have changed the question. Don't worry about that. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
The treasure chest was hidden by the parrots.
Sir,
Question
passive
mean
voice.
Sir, passive voice.
everyone cleared about it? Passive voice
Yes,
because
sir.
it is subject. Then was. Then bhitri. And by is also present. Then it is agent. That means it will be passive voice. If is MR was were plus V3 and by is also present, it always will be passive voice. The child was rescued by the Jew authorities. In which voice?
Sir, passive voice.
Yes, was plus V3 plus by plus object. It means it is passive voice. Ten number. You must grow the flowers in a pot. In which voice?
Active voice.
Yes, it is models plus V1. V1, yes, V1 always will be. V1 means always will be active voice.
Sir, please wait, sir.
Sir, 11 and 12 are left.
Yes, I will do, don't worry. We will complete each and every question.
Sir, I can send you my question.
The child was.
The child was rescued by the, risk means saved. Rescue.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Eleven number question. Karan gave me a jacket. A jacket for my birthday. subject plus V2 means which voice? Active voice.
Voice. Sir, my brother.
Question number 12. The lights were switched off. By the guard. The lights subject
Subject
after
plus
subject were then V3.
ed. Passive voice.
One thing understand here, okay? After is, am, are, was, were. V2 is not possible in any sentence. You may not write. There is no any book, there is no a person who can use this structure. After is, am, are, was, were, if V4 is written, it means that sentence is active voice. If after is, am, are, was, were, V3 is written, it means that sentence is passive voice.
Passive voice, sir.
Yes. If after is, okay, got it everyone? It means this sentence in which
Is
voice?
passive.
Passive voice. Have you done everyone? Any doubts about questions? I have solved 12 questions. Any doubt, anyone? Just share with me. We are going on next step of voice. It was the first step. We will move on second step. Who is facing any problem? They can share with me. Otherwise, you will face a lot of problems while I will do next step.
Sir, all is now cleared.
What is not cleared?
Sir, all is cleared, I said.
All is cleared. Okay.
Sir,
Now come on next level. Level B.
Sir, one more, homework was there.
Yes, I am solving next. That is level B. Question. Meera was
Sir, Mira is my classmate.
okay. Meera was reading a book. Meera is a well-known name.
Sir, really she likes to read the
Meera,
book, sir.
Meera is fond of Krishna. Okay. Now look at here.
After
Meera was reading a book. You have to change it in passive voice. I think
The
you
book
have
was
understood.
being read by Mira.
There are 5 level of voice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is active voice. Question is active voice. We have to change in passive.
the book
Okay.
was read by Mira.
Firstly, the object of active will be object.
Sarah May.
Active voice will be subject of passive voice. Object of active voice will be subject of passive voice. What is the object of active voice? A book is object of active voice. It will become the subject of passive voice. It means a book.
Book was
Auxiliary
read.
verb is given. If auxiliary verb is given, we will follow that. If auxiliary verb is not given, according to main verb, we have to write auxiliary verb. Mira takes was, a book will also take was. I have written a formula. I have written a formula. V1, V5, V2, V3, V4. If V1, V5, auxiliaries will be is, am, are. If V2 is written, verb will be, auxiliary verb will be was verb. If V3 is written, been we have to write. If V4 is written, being should be written. Here, V4. V4 means we have to write being.
The book was read. Book was
And
Book was
after,
being read by Mira.
listen. After using table, always we have to write V3 in passive voice. What is the V3 of read? Read. 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 It is V1. It is V2. It is V3. A spelling are same, but pronunciation will be different of V2 and V3. You have to pronounce it read, but you have to pronounce it read, and it is also read. Okay. A book was being read. 3 number V3, 4 number always not, you can say suitable preposition, but suitable preposition. If person is as an object, it will always take by, not person, living beings. Living beings will be used with by preposition. And last is subject of active voice will be object of passive voice. What is the subject of active voice? Mira. And then 4 number suitable preposition. For Mira is person, that's why we will write by. And 5 number subject of active will become object of passive. Is it clear?
said, please.
Have you got it? You have to write these rules. Without these rules and without these rules. So first important fact, and this is second important fact. I have to remember it. Without these 2 points, you cannot able to change the voice.
Done, sir.
Shruti Babu, please share video. Shruti, are you sleeping, Babu?
Sir, we will do all the sums, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Would I erase?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Question number 1 is done. You have to write it. These important facts. Who has not written, they may do a screenshot. Okay.
Sir, we have written this already.
Yes. But who were absent in the previous class, they have to write it.
Oh,
Otherwise, they will not understand what am I teaching. Because these are the basic things. Without basic things, how can you solve the next level? Question number 2. His parents will miss him. His
he
parents
will be missed by his parents.
will miss him. Listen. One important thing. 2 will be with we. And one important is modal. If it is modal, after modals always be. His parents will miss him. Him is the object. And what is the subject of him? He. Have you remembered? What is the object of I?
I,
Me. What is the object of B?
us,
Us. What is the object of you?
you,
You. What is the object of C?
her,
Her. What is the object of he?
him,
Him.
Him. They.
them,
Them. It.
It's.
It. No change. Noun. Noun. Noun means name. It means we have to write here subject. That's why him will be changed into he. What was the first point to change? The object of it is active voice, it is passive voice. The object of active voice will become the subject of passive voice. That's why we have written
Sir,
he here.
his parents will become the object of passive voice.
Yes. Object of active voice will become subject of passive voice. And what is the subject of him? He. What is the subject of them? They. What is the subject of us? We. That's why here subject is the he. And what is the auxiliary here? Already written. That's why we will write here will. He will. And we have already studied modals. Shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, need, dare. All these are modals. And after modals, we have to use be in the passive. Modals plus be. And in the passive, always B3. What is the B3 of missed? Then it is 1 number, it is 2 number, it is 3 number, and 4 number, 3 position by, and 5 number, the object of passive, the subject of active voice will become the object of passive voice. His parents. Got it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You may note it.
That is correct.
Answer.
Okay. Question number 3. A masked intruder had robbed the bank. Had robbed the bank. We have to change in passive. Firstly, it is active voice. We have to change in passive voice. Firstly, we need subject. And what is subject? Object of active is subject of passive. What is object in this sentence? What is object in this sentence?
Sir, the bank.
Yes. If you
Then you
don't
wrote it
know
had robbed.
the bank, listen, if you don't know what is object in the sentence, you have to find out verb. Before verb, you have to add what or whom. What or whom. If you are able to find the answer of what or whom, that will be object. What robbed? Bank robbed. That means it is object. And object will be subject. What is object? The bank. The bank will be subject here. After subject, we need auxiliary verb. Already auxiliary verb is given. Had will be, had is past and past cannot be changed. Present will be changed. Has or have or has according to subject, singular subject or plural subject. But it is passive and passive will be used with every subject. That's why we have written here had. And after has, have, had, V3 and V3 will take been. That's why the bank had been. And after one number, two number and auxiliaries, three number, always V3. What is the V3 of robbed? Robbed. Four number preposition. Who has robbed? A person. And who is person? A masked intruder. By a masked intruder. Note it.
Sir, please side, sir.
Okay.
Side. Sir, don't read the third number.
No, okay. Question number 4. Finish the work today. Firstly, right. This is a new condition here. Megha, just do. Your video is not showing here.
Let the work be finished today.
Ronak Raj, just on your video.
Sir, actually my data is too much lag.
वर्क 3 का बी ही होगा ना?
3 इसका बी, यस.
सर वहां पे सर मास्ड इंट्रूडर लिखा हुआ है सर, ईडी.
Yes, 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 must. Question is written here. Now, common. This is a new sentence here. Finish the work today. Finish is here verb, and then the work is here object. It means if a sentence is starting with a verb, if a sentence is starting with a verb, it means it is a imperative sentence.
Sir, let the work be finished today.
Don't speak anything. If a sentence is starting a beginning with a verb, it means that sentence is called imperative sentence. A structure of imperative sentence is verb plus subject plus other words. Others word can be written or cannot be written. It depends on sentence. But if a sentence is beginning from verb, that sentence is imperative sentence. And if verb plus subject plus other words, then it is the structure of active voice. It is the structure of active voice. If you want to change it in passive voice, then you have to use let plus object plus be plus b3 plus other words. If you have question of like this, verb plus object plus other words, how will you change it in passive? Firstly, you have to write let, then object, then be plus b3 plus subject. Already question is given. What will be the passive? Finish the work. Firstly, we have to write let. Then we have to write object. What is object? The work. The work. Then we have to write be. Be. Then B3. What is the B3? Finish, finished. And then other words. Other words will be today. Today will be same here. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, fifth number can I tell?
No, you are not allowed. Then I will ask, then you have to reply. Without questioning, you cannot reply.
अनुज बाबू प्लीज शेयर वीडियो। अनुज बार बार वीडियो क्यों ऑन कर लेते बाबू? Who is leave the class, Babu? Santani, you also show your video, Babu. Santani, Babu.
So my network.
How
Done,
many
sir.
students, Babu, we are left in class? I have to call him.
Question number 5. The club members elected her secretary. What is object in this sentence?
See the club member.
Hmm? Object,
Secretary.
object. Her secretary.
Yes, sir. I told that.
One thing you need to understand here, very important thing. Just look at here. If her is also object and its subject is she, and her is also possessive adjective. If a word is connected with her, it means that is possessive and it cannot be changed. Where it will go, secretary will go, this word will also go with this word. Without this word, it is incomplete. Possessive words connected with two words. First will be adjective and second will be noun. And where will go, you may understand it is a compound word. And compound word will go where it will go. Now come on. Her secretary. It is here, not auxiliary verb is given here. It means it is V2. Or V2 means was or were. Her secretary means singular subject. That's why we will use was. And after first number, second number, third number, always V3. What is the V3 of elected? Same elected. 3 number. 4 number, always preposition. It is club members, is human beings. We have to use Y. And it is the fourth number. Last is the object of passive voice is subject of active voice. What will be the subject? By the club members. Question number 6.
Sir, A number or B number?
What has the club members? A number. Was has is not
A number
possible.
different is written, sir. A number.
No. The C was elected secretary. Elected secretary.
Yes, sir.
He was elected secretary by the club members. Just look at here. Her secretary was elected by the club members.
Sir, it is correct
Listen,
or
listen.
not?
It can be changed in two ways. Her, you may write here, she is, her secretary was selected. You have to change all it with, she is elected. Sorry,
Sir, I written she was
elected secretary.
Sir, I accidentally crossed it and written.
Was elected secretary by the club members. Listen here. It means
Sir, both are correct.
yes, it is also correct and it is also correct. You need to understand here. Listen. If her is object, that means it will be correct. If her is possessive adjective, you may understand here. Her is object, then it will be right. If her is possessive adjective. That means it will be right. Question number, you have to mention it. Her possessive adjective, it will be right. Her object, this will be correct. Question number 6. Jonas will address the crowd. What is object here? The crowd. The crowd model auxiliary is already given. Will, and after will, be always, then B3 addressed. Why Jonas? Copy it.
क्या कर रही हो क्यों बताओ
Done, sir.
Okay.
एक्सचेंज कर रखी
नहीं.
मेरा पे नजर ना बसे
Saloni and Savita.
सीरियस
Question number 7. This bridge was built by the army. This bridge was built by the army in 1998. You have to change it in active voice. Then what should be subject? It is passive voice, and we have to change it active voice. What should be object? Subject? The army. Was is written. It means B2 should be present. The army built. What should be object? What built? This bridge. By will be removed. It has already come. What is left in 1998? Question number 8. Sonakshi was drawing a picture.
Sir, 7 number, what is the answer?
7 number, what is the answer? The army built this bridge in 1998. B
Sir,
number.
this bridge, sir, the army built this bridge in 1998.
Yes.
Oh,
It
my
is
is correct.
active voice. We have to change it in passive. What is object here? A picture. Already auxiliary is given. It is singular subject. That's why we will write was. It is written before, and before will take being. Being. Then with the draw, drew, drawn. It is a person. We will write why. Sonakshi. 9 number. The sun was hidden. Why the clouds? It is a passive voice, and we have to change in active voice. Firstly, we need subject. Subject will be the object of passive voice. What is the object? The clouds. The clouds. Here, Baj is written. Baj means B2. B2 will be changed into Baj. That's why we will write B2. What is the B2 of hidden? Hid. The clouds hid the sun. Yes. Question number 10. The kitchen staff. The kitchen staff were preparing dinner. There is no B3, it means it is active voice. We have to change in passive voice. Firstly, we need object. What is object? Dinner. Auxiliary verb is given. The kitchen staff. Staffs should be written. Okay. Staffs is not written here, but we have to add a staff. If S will be removed, it means we have to write here Baj. Kitchen staff is plural, but it is dinner is singular. That's why we will write B was.
Was preparing
Yes, Baj. Preparing means before, or before,
before.
before means being should be written.
Was being
The
prepared.
dinner was being prepared. Always B3. Prepared. Who prepared? The kitchen staff. Person. It means we have to write
By the kitchen staff.
by the kitchen staff. 10 number done.
Sir, we will do 3 number now.
Yes, yes. I am writing the questions on the board. Just wait and watch. Hers, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Hers and Suhani,
Yes, sir.
did you understand today's class?
Yes, sir.
Now class is over.
No, how can you say it?
Baldi.
Another level question. Question number 1.
So level C.
Level C. Can you, level C, change voice? Can you help the needy? Who can change it?
Sir, in which
Question number 2. Someone has taken my handkerchief. Question number 3. They left the camping ground in a maze. Question number 4. Sukamtu opened the box easily. Bunny polished the silver vases. Bell. Change it, everyone. Who will solve all the questions correctly? I would like to see who has courage. I challenge you all.
Sir, number 3, they left the camping. No?
Sorry. They left.
help from you.
can will be can. Sentence cannot be changed. Interrogative will be interrogative, negative will be negative, WH will be WH. Can. You have to find out object. What is object? Then D. Then B, because it is modals. Be helped by, what is the object of you? You. Auxiliaries cannot be changed. Some types of sentence cannot be changed. Object will be subject, and after modals we have to write be, and after be always B3 in passive. Whole number always by, and object will be subject will be object. What is the object of you? You. Someone has taken my handkerchief. What is the object?
My handkerchief has been taken by someone.
Yes, very good. Sabbas. My handkerchief. Has will be has. B3 takes been. Taken will be taken. Someone can be written or cannot be written. It depends on you. You may not write, that will also be right. Because it is a understood word. You may write nothing, or you may write by someone. If you will not write by someone, passive will be also correct. Question number 3. What is the object? The camping ground. The camping ground. It is V2, that's why we will write was. Left, left.
Camping ground was left in a mess.
Left in a
In a mess.
mess by them. Sukanto opened the box easily. What is object? The box. It is a V2. That's why we will write was. The box was.
The box was opened by Sukanto easily.
Yes, opened by Sukanto easily. Bunny polished the silver vessels. The silver vessels. B2 means B2 will take was or were. Subject is here, base is plural. That's why we will write where. The silver vases were. Always V3. Polished will be polished. Then by preposition. Who polished? Bunny. Bell.
Side, sir.
Yes, right.
You have written the spelling polish
Class is over.
POLISED. Sir, H is not there.
Yes, in the question, but in the answer that has been written.
Sir, and in the campings, it is also P is left.
Camping. Same
In the
PI.
answer.
Okay.
So class is over now.
No. They have to revise 10 minutes. Then I will give you homework. Then classes will be. Have you written?
No,
Sir, in total, how many sentences?
Level C.
Yes, sir.
Level C, 12 questions. Level D,
Sir, can you send the question in the group?
15. Yes, I will do. But we have to revise firstly. Just write it, then we
Start
will
revision.
revise. Swam, what are you
Sit down,
doing?
sir. The time is.
Yes, done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to revise here.
Sir, we will do C today only, na?
Yes. What is the structure of present indefinite? Subject plus V1 oblique V5 plus subject. What will be passive of present indefinite? We will write it changed subject plus
Sir, 6 number.
is am are plus V3 plus Y plus object. That will be sent in the group. Okay, don't worry about that. Just look at here and understand. You have to also complete it in your homework. 1 number, 2 number. Present continuous. What is the structure of present continuous?
Subject plus is MR plus
is MR plus D4 plus
before plus
subject.
object plus remaining part.
Yes. Passive will be present continuous. What will be it in passive? What will be passive of present continuous?
Changed subject
Yes. Changed
is MR
subject plus is am R plus being
B3. B
plus B3
B3 plus object.
3 number. Present perfect. Subject plus
Have
have,
had
not had, only have. Had will be past
as
perfect.
sorry.
Yes, plus subject. It will be also present perfect. Changed
Changed subject
subject plus
as F
as have plus then plus V3
plus
plus अरे रे रे बाई तो यहाँ भी छूट गया बाई लिखो या
plus Y.
प्रीपोजिशन लिखो प्रीपोजिशन प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट
The prepositions are
fourth number. Yes, preposition will be changed. Only by is not written. According to situation, we have to also change. That's why we have written preposition. Okay.
yes.
Present perfect continuous. Not passive. No passive. Present perfect continuous का passive नहीं बनता. Subject plus has, have plus, been plus, before plus, object. because it is already V3 and it is already V4. It has two verb forms and same cannot be changed. You may write it, everyone. Note it.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
No, sir.
Why are you punching, Swarn? Would you want to fight with me?
No, sir.
Okay.
Class is over now. Sir.
Hmm. Have you done?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Boys.
Once again, past tense.
Sir, after V3, what is written in 3 number? Change.
Hmm. 3 number. Change subject.
Sir, after V3, present perfect, changed subject plus have, have plus been plus V3 plus.
Has, have plus been plus B3 plus preposition. You may write preposition or by, both are same here. But according to sentences, that can also change. Past indefinite, V2 plus subject, past indefinite, V2
Sir,
means
past
was,
perfect continuous also doesn't have no passive.
no, it has passive.
Sir, past perfect continuous.
Yes, past perfect continuous doesn't have passive.
Sir, you have still written there present perfect continuous. You have not changed it.
Present perfect continuous.
Sir, in the last.
Okay. Past. Active passive.
For DIY.
Yes. Just write it.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it is writing you are viewing concept classes screen.
Yes. DIY has been sent in the group. Okay.
Sir, can we leave?
दस दूत अपने रखता चलो नहीं बाबू लिखिए पूरा बाबू आई कहाँ गए कहाँ निको
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
आप लोग का बाबू आप लोग लिखते नहीं हो क्लास में बहुत पीटेंगे सबका कॉपी चेक करेंगे जिसका जिसका नहीं लिखा रहेगा बहुत पीटेंगे
सर देख लीजिए सर, मैं तो लिखता हूँ।
लिखिए और रोशनी की नहीं लिखी बाबू रोशनी
Yes, sir.
लिखियो बाबू
Yes, sir. सर मैं एक तो नहीं लिखी सर, वो ना सर ना फास्ट रफ कर दिए थे।
अच्छा तो आप तेजी से लिखिए